Hyvää iltaa, tervetuloa. Welcome back to my channel. Janeth vlogs Finland.
The intro already.
That's the intro.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So Janeth wanted a Gopro. Look. What is this? It's a Gopro here, not black. To open this. There is something here to pull. Let's pull that. It has a carry case. This is the first one, the carry case. They never had this one before. There was only a camera in the box. That's it. No carry case. Now, with GoPro Hero 9, it comes in a case. Okay, what is this? Some instruction, guarantee, cables, battery, mounts for installation, and mount screw for the mount, and here is the GoPro Hero 9 Black. It's tasty. Just these things you need to peel off. Add more. There's one in the back. But this, how is this coming off? There. There's. Come on. And then the last one. So satisfying. Okay, here is the camera, and let's see. There's two buttons like before. There's a power and mode button, and then there is a shutter button, and then how is it gonna open? I don't know. But this one is new, because previously we had to use a special case, mounting case around the camera to mount it to anything, but now it comes with these tabs, so it doesn't need the cage for mounting. You can just mount the camera directly. Before there was no touch like this. They come with 8 or 9. I'm not sure if 8 was the first one or 9 to come with the tabs. And then the mount goes in there. I think. Yeah. Yeah. Now there on the tabs, and put the screw on, and that's the foot of the mount. Okay. It looks like old GoPros. We had a GoPro 6 before. The only difference is that there is no case anymore. It mounts directly because of the tabs. That's a difference. And then I think this needs to be charged. So this is just unboxing and first impressions. Nice shiny new camera. I don't know if it's gonna work. You have to charge the battery and test tomorrow. But that's it. Nothing more here. Need to keep this one.
And
I guess we need to keep this one for the camera so we can
you can read also if
keep
there's
it in here.
I see. in the box. Oh, you can live stream also, right? Direct to them.
I don't know. I don't care. You can read instructions later.
Yeah.
'Cause I'm not gonna live stream. I'm just gonna.
You can try. You can turn it on.
There's no battery.
But you have a
It's
battery,
charged.
right?
I can try, but I don't know how to open this. And we have the old broken GoPro Hero 6 Black, and we have 2 batteries to go with that. So now we have 3 batteries. But I don't know how to open. The hatches are different.
You can read the instruction.
I broke it! Okay, I can try if it works. I'm sure there is a little bit charge in this. I hope. Battery is not good.
Want to look dada? Okay.
Nothing happened with. Oh, it's on.
So si Mr. yung nag-unboxing, guys.
It says low bat. Powering off.
You can get your extra
It was only-
battery.
And now, because I think they're empty also.
Oh.
They need to charge. So that's it for that's it for today. We're gonna test tomorrow. It doesn't make a difference.
What is this, Kunta? What for?
It's a sticker. You put it on your helmet when you jump out of plane.
Really?
Yo, look. There's a picture. You put it on your helmet. Then you jump out of the plane.
And so,
It's the GoPro. Hey, Kulti.
ito lang siya lahat yung package niya, guys. And hindi na kami bumili ng handle sa GoPro, guys, kasi meron na kami. Meron na kasi kaming GoPro Hero 6, guys, pero nasira ko siya. Kaya, ayun, meron na kaming mga handle, and then meron din kaming yung para sa ilagay sa ulo, guys. Nakikita nyo, guys, ginagamit ni Mr. kanina. Yan. Kahapon. Yan. Ganito guys. Tapos ilagay mo lang siya nito. Hindi namin to ginamit guys kasi meron kami. So extra lang ito guys pag masira na siya. So ito lang siya lahat guys. 449 euro ito lahat guys. Si Mr. yung nag-unboxing guys kasi gusto niya mag-unboxing.
Kiitos kaikille, bye bye, hei hei.
Hey hey!
Tervetuloa
Tutulog na si Bella
takaisin.
guys.
Welcome back.